Hey everyone, it's Jason Divenere, Global Service Member with United. I'm on United's 787 service today from Sydney to San Francisco. Now I fly a lot, and unfortunately that means I have kind of a large carbon footprint. Airplanes like the 787 are getting way more fuel efficient and reducing emissions, but there are some things that you could do on board to lower your footprint as well. Now it's a great thing that United gives you so many amenities. You've got slippers and noise-canceling headsets, pajamas, blankets, vitamin kits, blankets, mattress pads. There's so much stuff, but at the end of that flight, it all turns into this. So one thing that I do is I take all of it, and I've got a little compartment in my suitcase that I don't use for anything. I just shove it in there, and the next time I go to the dry cleaner, I just throw all this stuff in the little bin for recycling. It's number 4 plastic, so you can recycle it at dry cleaners or at supermarkets. You can't put it in your bin at home because it will junk up the machine, so you gotta bring it somewhere special, but at least this isn't going to the landfill today, and I can feel a little better about flying. Follow me on Instagram at @jdivenere for more travel tips.